For decades, cybersecurity was built on one assumption. If you're inside the network, you're trusted. But what if the attacker is already inside? That's why modern enterprises are abandoning perimeter security and moving to something called zero trust. Traditional cybersecurity was designed like a castle, strong walls, firewalls at the perimeter, defenses focused on keeping attackers out. But today, networks are no longer castles. Employees work remotely. Cloud systems are everywhere. Applications live outside traditional data centers. The perimeter has dissolved, and that's where zero trust comes in. Zero trust architecture is built on one simple principle: never trust, always verify. It doesn't matter if a user is inside the corporate network or connecting from another country. Every access request must be authenticated, authorized, and continuously validated. Here's what that means in practice. First, identity becomes the new perimeter. Instead of trusting devices based on location, Zero Trust verifies users through strong identity controls, multi-factor authentication, device health checks, context-based access policies. Second, least privilege access. Users only get access to exactly what they need, nothing more. If an attacker compromises one account, the blast radius is limited. Third, microsegmentation. Instead of one flat internal network, Zero Trust divides systems into small, isolated segments. Even if an attacker gets inside one segment, lateral movement becomes extremely difficult. This approach is critical because modern breaches rarely begin with a direct firewall attack. They often start with stolen credentials, phishing emails, compromised endpoints, and once inside, traditional networks allow attackers to move freely. Zero Trust removes that assumption of trust. Every request is verified, every session is monitored, every access decision is dynamic. Now here's the key insight. Zero Trust is not a single product, it's a security strategy. It combines identity management, access control, network segmentation, continuous monitoring, behavioral analytics. And it's becoming the standard model for enterprise security, especially in cloud-first environments. Because in today's threat landscape, the question is no longer how do we keep attackers out, it's how do we minimize damage when they get in. Zero Trust doesn't assume safety, it assumes compromise. And in modern cybersecurity, that assumption might be the safest strategy of all.